Good morning. Well, it's not good morning. It's actually afternoon. It is about 12:30 right now, I would say. I'm up, I put lip gloss on, I am showered, I am dressed. I've had my coffee, I've had my lower carb breakfast, and we are going outside right now to enjoy the last couple days of this blue sky. And my niece is still here. She stayed the night last night. We have a brush pile that needs to get burned. We are gonna do some outdoor chores. Here she is, so cute. Looking so cute. So we have this little pump house that our contractors built. We asked them, since we had to have a pump house built anyway, I was like, can you guys make it really hobbity looking? And they were like, yes. And so look how cute it is. With its little curvy roof and its arch door, and then these are all the stones that we have to put on it. So Zach and I are going to do that, but we haven't been able to yet. Got a big chunk of ice. Slam it. Yeah. Yep, he was taking a nap. Just been out by this fire all day today. It's so lovely. It's one of our last nice days. I know I keep saying that, but because
yeah.
I hate the rain, and it's about to
like
rain
that.
for the next 5 months. So it's about to be
or snow.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just kind of burning some little bit of brush that we've been stacking up, and I'm gonna use the ashes and the charcoal from that on our garden and mix some of it in with our compost. And the brush that I don't get around to burning, I'm going to do a hugelkultur, I think that's what it's called, hugelkultur bed all along the fence that we built on the inside of the garden, because there's kind of like a really wide path right there. It's just unused space, like nobody's walking right up against our fence. I'm gonna build like hugelkultur mounds all along, and then it'll break down over time and then like flatten out.
You're treating this like a Sweet Life video.
We love makeup, we love being raw, and we love beauty, and we love Kristi.
This is actually a good segue into saying that after I'm done uploading every day to this channel, you guys should go subscribe to our other channel, because I'm thinking, and I'm not 100% sure on this yet, but I think it would be good to continue this series on over there. Not series, but like this style of video.
Season 2 on Sweet Life.
Just this style of video content where you guys are, you know, the ones that are watching are really liking this daily content style. And this is sort of what our second channel is like. We have neglected it. Was that we are going to continue this on our Sweet Life channel. And because I've just found that when I don't overthink things like I typically do, and I just do it, this is so much easier than I anticipated it being. I was really hyping it up in my head to what I thought it was gonna be like versus what it's actually like. It doesn't take hours and hours and hours of editing like my regular RawBeautyKristi content. I'm just really excited about it, knowing that I can do it. It absolutely does not disrupt our lives at all. And it gives me something to look forward to and to do, and I really like the community. So if you guys are liking this style of content, I'm not sure when it'll start, but likely when the daily uploads on RawBeautyKristi end, we're going to be moving this content just right over to Sweet Life of Zach and Kristi. I will have that linked down in the description of this video if you guys are interested in checking it out. So far we do gardening, homesteading, like daily life stuff. We're going to actually be remodeling 3 bathrooms here soon. It makes it sound like I have more than 3 bathrooms. We have 3 bathrooms. Yeah, we're gonna finish remodeling the one upstairs that never got done. And then we are going to remodel the upstairs and downstairs bathroom. Both of those are kind of in the same old finishes, and we haven't done anything to them. So we're gonna be documenting that over on Sweet Life as well. And I'm gonna really do the same style where it's like, I'm not overthinking it. We are just filming what we do in that day, editing it, posting it over there. I don't know if it'll be every day, but hopefully we can make that a reality. I'm really excited about it. It feels really good, and I thank you guys so much for being here during all of this. This isn't ending, by the way. I'm gonna keep this going for as long as I feel like I need to get out of my little rut. She's done. I'm done. Hey, you're done. What are you doing? You got your wheelbarrow? Is Avery a two-boot?
You want some compost in your wheelbarrow? You gonna take it to the garden? Here, come here.
Holy moly! His little wheelbarrow, are you kidding? That's a dirty baby. That is one compost baby.
Casper.
It's Casper.
Hi, buddy. Casper. Casper. Yeah.
Yeah!
Here are some who like to run. They run for fun in the hot, hot sun. Oh me, oh my, oh me, oh my, what a lot of fun we do. Say, look at his fingers. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers do I see?
Holly berries. Grab some, but we don't need them.
It's the next morning. I forgot to close out yesterday's video. I'm kind of dead inside today, so I'm gonna end this video here. It's pretty shitty. I have a cluster headache today, so I've got medication trying to kick in right now. And I can tell today's gonna be one of those sort of days where it makes me really tired. I'm like yawning a ton. I also got too much sleep last night. I went to bed. I fell asleep at 8:30 and woke up this morning at 6:30. It's way too much sleep. When I oversleep, I get cluster headaches. So that's why I think I'm dealing with one today. It's hard to say, but yeah, I'm not feeling too great. So I'm gonna end out today's video here, but it's all good. No, today's video is very lack of talking. That's okay. You guys don't seem to mind. And I sure enjoy the nice music and calm baby lifestyle. Yes. Watching doggies play in the fall leaves. All right, well, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.